We're here at the Stony Brook Medicine Heights Rooftop Farm for a 3-day kids cooking and nutrition workshop. The goal of the workshop is to have kids come in and pick produce that we grow on our rooftop farm, such as cucumbers, tomato, eggplants, and zucchini. We come into our kitchen area and they make recipes with the foods that they just picked. The goal is to have them use fruits and vegetables from our garden to make nutritious and delicious foods. They're so excited about the process, and it does encourage them to eat healthier. It's very important because these are habits that they're going to take with them as they grow into adults. We talk to the kids about eating local, reducing your carbon footprint, and farm-to-table style eating. I'm really proud of this program. I heard kids today saying how excited they are to go home, bring home some of their leftovers to share with their families, and to go home and continue cooking and eating healthy.